students watching and boys and girls in our classroom, we're ready to begin our Seatwork lesson. For this Seatwork lesson, we'll start by doing our arithmetic, letters and sounds and language worksheets. Once we have finished our language worksheet, it's going to be time to copy our spelling list. Remember, A and pray comes at the end of each of these spelling words except for our sight words. When you're done with your spelling list, the next thing I want you to do is I want you to copy chart 7A. You'll do that on the back of your spelling tablet paper. Remember, copy every single special sound and write it neatly. Once you have copied chart 7A, I want you to draw a picture of your very best friend. Then I want you to answer the coins. So count each of those coins. And notice at house number 1, there are 4 places for you to write the answer. Write the answer, the amount for the first set of coins next to the houses, then next to the first fold, the second fold, and then finally the third fold. So count each of those amounts and write the answers for each at house 1. Once you have done that, I want you to copy down each of these special sounds and clue words and match the special sound to the clue word it belongs to. After that, your on-site teacher will have an activity for you to do. Let's begin by looking at our worksheets for this lesson. For arithmetic, we'll start by writing our first and last name. The number 1 says we'll write the addition fact. Let's look at our first addition fact with the potatoes. What is our addition fact, Victoria? Girls watching, answer with Victoria.
4 plus 3 equals 7.
Excellent. That's from our brand new family. 4 plus 3 equals 7. So you'll do a fact for the potatoes and for the strawberries. Number 2 says to write the missing number. Remember, you'll write the number in the box that makes the combination true. So be careful. Notice where the missing number is found. Number 3 says to count by 5s. What is our pattern for counting by 5s? Boys watching and Benjamin.
5 0.
That's right, 5 0, 5 0, 5 0, 5. The number 4 says write the before and after numbers by tens. What number will be in the ones place for each of these numbers, Trey? How about Trey? What's going to be in the ones place, Ava?
0.
Why?
Because it's 5 0.
Think about it, when we count by tens, what always stays the same?
The 1.
Always. So the ones place will have a 0 because we're counting by tens. Take this paper and put it underneath. The next paper we're ready to look at is our letters and sounds worksheet. Let's look at number 1. Number 1 says to circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. We'll focus on our thir and 3 and r and star special sounds. Let's say those special sounds together. Thir and 3, T-H-R, thir, thir, thir. R and stars, A-R. Nice, so find each special sound and circle it and then remember to mark your vowels. Number 2 says to draw a picture for each sentence. So you'll read the sentence at the bottom and fill in your entire picture frame with the picture that goes with the sentence. Go across to number 3. Number 3 says to match the blend with the picture. Do that in both sections. Take this paper and put it underneath. Now we're ready to look at our language worksheet. Our directions at number 1 say to match to make compound words. Remember, a compound word is 2 little words put together to make a bigger word. Do that in each of those yellow boxes. Then at the number 2, we have a little bit of a challenge. Number 2 says to write each sentence correctly. Remember to begin with a capital letter and end with a period. So notice you have 3 sentences to copy. And for each of these sentences, you need to start with a capital letter and then end with a period as you're copying them. Go ahead and take your language worksheet, put it underneath, and let's look together at our tablet paper. For our tablet paper for this lesson, you'll begin by writing your name. And then I want you to carefully copy each of our spelling words. On the back of this tablet paper, remember you're going to copy chart 7A. Get every single special sound and write it neatly. Once you have copied chart 7A, draw a picture of your best friend. And then it will be time to work on some more tablet paper. Remember, on that next tablet paper at house number 1, You'll write down the amounts for each of these coins, then copy down special sounds and clue words and match the special sound to the clue word. Once you've done that, your on-site teacher will have an activity for you to do. You may begin.